Okay, so here we are at the QUICKTHATCH factory. This is Philip Bellhouse, Managing Director of QUICKTHATCH Australia. So Phil, how do we do this?
Well, we've screwed a track system, a laser cut track system in place. It's plastic, so it's easy to fix to the side of the rafters. We fix that both sides. Then we've got a bit of thatching here, which is all made in conduit for flexibility. And basically we just pop it in. Anyone can do it, it's been designed for do-it-yourself. So pop it in the first hole here, next hole there.
And so by doing this, Phil, how long do you reckon it'll take to do the 3 metre by 3 metre Stratco standard black?
From install, as it comes as a kit, it'll be all pre-cut. You should be able to install this easily in 1 day.
Excellent.
Being the Stratco beams, and they've got special brackets for the ends. The caps that fit in, so you don't see any of the ends.
Yep.
They've got a nice bracket here which the rafter pops into, so there's no welding or hard bits to it. Just you need a rattle gun, a ruler, a pencil, and that's it.
And it all comes in the kit, mate?
All in a kit. And also once this is all installed, you've got a roofing choice. You can either have tin or you can put laser light under, straight on top of this roof here.
And that'll,
It's supplied by Stratco as well.
and that'll be in the kit?
That will be in the kit, or depends what you want to put on the roof, but the laser light has 60% heat reduction in the platinum. And with the thatching as well, you're going to get about 8 to 10 degrees cooler. So it's one of the coolest roofing products on the market. And for the effect underneath, I don't think there's anything close to it at this stage.